Hello everyone, let's line dance. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back again to teach you another line dance. It's called Bring 'em Out. It is a simple line dance, of course, but I want to give you a few tips, so stay tuned. And also just make you aware of there are some beginner dances out there for those individuals, instructors that just walk into your classroom. You don't want to stop to teach them. This is the dance. You can just call it out and move the class along, okay? So stay tuned. Also, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. You want to dance together? Watch till the end, click right here, and let's dance together. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and also share this video. Last but not least, I would like to personally invite you to the NOLA Southern Experience. We are celebrating our 10th year extravaganza, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. That's next year. It'll be here just like that. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. You can go to our website where you register and book your room at www.lmIUNOLA.com. And I hope to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. And let's go, guys. So this is called Bring 'em Out. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. So here's the tip that I want to give you. So we're going to take face in this direction, okay? So I'm going to break the dance down, and then I want to modify something and tell you why you should modify it, okay? If you need to do so. So it starts with a run up. You go right, left, right, left. So you run up and you come back, okay? So what I'm gonna do when I go up, I go right, left, tap, and come back, right, left, tap. And notice I didn't do right, left, step. I didn't do that, okay? When you do a tap, your heel is up and it lets you know that you're coming back on that feet, on that same foot, okay? Right, left, tap, right, left, tap. And with my heel up, my right heel up, I'm gonna go into the next step, okay? So you go up, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we're gonna do a double on the right and a double tap on the left. We go double and double, okay? On the right and the left. In and out, out and out, out and out, okay? So let's add that. Take it up, 5, 6, 7, and right, left, tap, right, left, tap, double right, double left, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is go back to the right. We're gonna go out and knee, out and knee. So we go out, up, in, and come up with the knee, and the same thing on the left, okay? So far, what we do on the right, we do it on the left, okay? Going up on the right, coming back on the left, a double tap on the left, a double tap on the right, on the right, and then the left, out and up on the right, out and up on the left, okay? Here we go, 5, 6, 7, take it up, right, left, right, left, right, double, 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 out and up, out and up, out and up. Now, it's already time to go to our next wall, okay? And we're gonna paddle or tap around for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with that tap, our heel is up and we start the dance over, okay? So let's put it together, and then I'm gonna give you the modification, just give you a little tip and tell you why you should just modify it just a little bit. I'm gonna tell you why. So we'll get into that, okay? So we go up, right, left, right, left, right, double, 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 out and up, out and up, out and up, and tap, 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 tap. So just paddle around with your right shoulder coming up and to the next wall. So whenever you turn here and the dance starts over, going up, starting the dance over, so the dance moves counterclockwise. And it's a 4-wall dance as we're doing at each wall. So let me give you the tip. So this is how I would modify it, okay? So I'm a certified aerobic instructor, and something that they taught us is not to put our weight, leave our weight on one side too long, okay? And because you start feeling it in that hip. So when you go up like this, right, left, right, right, double. You see how long we staying on this one? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, again, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and paddle, 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 paddle. So once you get to like the third wall, you're going to start feeling it in that left hip. Let me show you how you can change that up, okay? Because you do a couple of rotations. So you're going to start feeling it in that left heel, okay? That left hip. So let me show you how you modify it, okay? So you go up, right, left, right, left, right. You do your double, out and up, out and up, out and up, and I will kick right, left, okay? So check this out. So when you're doing your double, you're really alternating, okay? So you're kind of getting a little balance there. Out and up with the knee, out and up. You're going to the right and left. But the problem is when you go tap around like this. That's when that weight stays on that left side at a long time, okay? So alternate. Just kick out. Right, left, left. And that offers those individuals who have trouble in their hip more of a balance, okay? So you can teach it both ways. You can teach it with the tap around, 1, 2, 3, 4, or kick around. Right, left, left. And that's a better alternative for the hip, okay? So let's do it here. So what I suggest, I'm going to teach it with the kick around, because once you start tapping and that hip starts hurting, when you go say, okay, well, I'm not going to do the tap anymore. I'm going to do just the kick out. But that hip already feels that, you already feel that pain in your hip. So I'm going to teach just the kick around. But the original choreography is the tap around, okay? So you choose which one you want to do. So, but I do know when you go around, when you paddle around, you're going to start feeling it on the left side. And I just wanted to give you a little tip to do a modification. Okay, so let's go. 5, 6, 7, take it up. 1 and 2, back 3 and 4, double 5 and 6, left 7 and 8 is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, that feels so much better already, okay? So let's do it again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, double 5 and 6, 7 and 8 is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Whichever you want to do it. I'm going to teach it kicking out right, left, because I know for my class, they're going to start feeling it on the left-hand side. So that is called Bring 'em Out. Bring it out. I know that's a simple line dance, but some dances, instructor, I want to present to you to let you know there's dances out there that you can just call out and you can pick it up, especially the new people that are coming in your class. It helps keep your class moving forward. And also, just make you aware that there's easy dances out there like that, okay? Bring them out. Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I'm telling you, I already know we're going to sell out. This is our 5th time. We do the event every other year. Okay, this will be our 5th time. That's why we celebrate our 10th year anniversary. The 4 previous time, we always sell out. Everyone, I see you. You're booking your room already. And that's why we put it out so early, because we give people a chance to do it in increments. Take care of their hotel, and then we do registration. You don't always have to do everything at one time, but the information is there right now. The NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens June 1st, 2025. But you can read about it right now at our website. We also have extra activities for you to do as an individual and as a group. All that information is there. Please go to our website and check it out. Do not call the hotel. Do not go to the website. Go to our website, please, to book your room, to get into the room block. Our website is www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, guys, if you ever have a question, you got my number. Just give me a call. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.